Alright, so basically I'm going to be showing you how to change the door handle on your classic VW. I'm doing this on both the VW bus and then also the Karmann Ghia. I first noticed this issue on my Karmann Ghia. It turned out that the door handle inside the mechanism cracked, which helps open the door. So I'm going to have to just get a new one for that one. And then when I was looking at that one for the Karmann Ghia, it brought up to mind how my bus has the same problem where the doorknob just doesn't open. So I thought, might as well look at that and see if it's the same thing. And lo and behold, it's the same exact problem. So there's a crack on the mechanism that allows the door to open, and that's cracked. So now I won't retract and open the door. So I'm going to order a new door handle for that one. And then the other problem with the other side of the bus is it has that Ted Bundy feature where it's like you can come in the car, but you can't come out. So the doorknob is just jammed. I don't know what the hell it is, so I'm going to have to take a look at that and see what's happening inside. But I'm thinking this is just a simple fix that I can just do. Honestly, you don't have to remove these two, but I just figured out you just need these two right here that run parallel with the door handle, and then just push it out. That's all you have to do, really. So this one kind of has the same problem as well. So it's not so much the door handle, but it has that Ted Bundy feature where when you come in, you can't come out. So that's what I'm trying to fix, and I don't know why that is. So I have to look into that. This one, you notice the clearance not all the way at all, and this is, I'm trying like my hardest right here. It's kind of stiff. I don't know why it's stiff, but I gotta check that. But it's not making it at all. That's why you got the Ted Bundy feature. We don't want the Ted Bundy feature. Okay, it looks like it's working, but all right, check it out. Boom! How'd he do it? WD-40. That's it. Just a shit ton of WD-40. I just literally sprayed it all in there. Just trying to lube up that mechanism, the whole thing. All the way down to there. And some around here as well. Lubed it, and for some reason it works now. No Ted Bundys. No Ted Bundy feature. 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 This one opens fine, no issue. Check that out. Fixed. And the lock. Just to show that it is working. See? Look at that. Nice. Honestly, I'm shocked as shit. I didn't think that was gonna work, but I'm happy as hell that that actually does work because that was broken since I bought this car. So now I just gotta replace the door handle over there. I gotta buy that and just replace it, and that's it. And then both doors work. Oh shit!